Hey, guys, my name is Siath, and I'm back with another video on this channel. Today's video that we're going to be talking about is YouTube channel ideas that maybe you could use to make your own YouTube channel. These ideas can range from gaming to informative to anything that you really think of before the video starts. If you can leave down in the comments what kind of videos you'd like to see next and leave a like on this video, that would be greatly appreciated. Now, let's get into the video. So for this YouTube video, I'm going to be giving ideas of YouTube channels. These YouTube video ideas that I'm going to give you are all personal preferences and what I think is going to work in the future. I cannot assume that you would be willing to put the time and effort in to be productive on the YouTube channel. These channel ideas are a way for me to tell you what I feel is popular at the moment so you can grow the best not to start off. I'm going to start with gaming channels that I think might work. Some of those channels consist of Fortnite, which everyone knows are super popular right now. Minecraft that has just always been around and always popular. One idea that I used to see what is popular at the moment is just go through Twitch and YouTube. If you go on Twitch and click on browse, it'll show you the amount of viewers that are under every single game, and you could base what you think will be more popular based on the amount of viewers that you see on the video game. So right now, as you can see, Counter-Strike is the #1 game right now with 278,000 viewers behind Teamfight Tactics. Fortinet, Apex Legends, Just Chatting, Granters are Legal Agents, and many more. So if I were to create a YouTube channel, I would go off of this page and see all of these popular games. Then I'd make my best opinion, what I would enjoy the best to me, and go from there. Now, some other ideas that I would give for you to panels which are not as easy, but definitely it could pay off. Are YouTube channels just like Mr. Beast? Mr. Beast is killing the game right now. He is making so much money off of these YouTube video ideas that he has now obviously is very hard because he has sponsors and all this money that is being generated to be able to make these videos. But if you have the capital to start and you can have the similar ideas that he does, I think your chances of growing are just exponential. Now, one tip that I'm going to give if you do a study to China is to stay consistent no matter if you choose the most popular game or the least popular game. If you do not stay consistent, your chances of growing just go down the drain. Staying consistent and uploading all the time will give the opportunity for your viewers to keep on watching you and stay interactive with YouTube channel. Now, many of these games don't need to be popular. If you look at a streamer called Summit1G, he played many of the popular games at the peak point of these popular games. He decided to leave and go on his own. And if you look at his Twitch, he is still killing the game because it is all personality. Now, our YouTube channel ideas has to be about the most popular thing. If you have the right personality and the right fan base, you can grow just that easily. I would like to thank you guys for watching this YouTube video today. If you guys have any ideas that you guys like to see, put it down on the YouTube comments. And please leave this video like now and subscribe the channel for more videos. There is only one thing left to say. Keep uploading.